Hi love, what's up? My name is Mal and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then it's just welcome. And we are doing a spooky season Halloween haul. And I know what you're thinking. It's not even October yet, Mal. Like, can you please let me at least have summer? Yes, I will let you have summer, but I am here for you. I want you to be prepared for Halloween. I also want to give you some inspiration and some ideas just to get the ball rolling, because this is one of my favorite seasons. I think it's just so fun to be creative. I have so many ideas for you. This is going to be affordable costumes. It's going to be easy to do, and it's going to be great inspo for this 2024 Halloween season. Now, if there's one type of contact that can completely transform your look, it is a white contact, and you can make your outfit or your costume look so elevated, like you put so much effort in, when really all you did was put in a pair of contacts. All of the lenses that I'm going to be trying in today's video are from lens.me. Now, lens.me is an online retailer. They sell so many different styles of color contacts. Actually, a lot of my contacts that I love in my daily life, I get from lens.me. They have natural looking contacts, they have bold color contacts, and they also have special effects contacts. So these ones are from their special effects line, and they are FDA approved, which is so important. Now, if you do want to shop from lens.me, I have a discount code. It saves you 10% off your entire purchase, and the code is Mallory. I'll put it on the screen here, and I'm also going to link it down below along with all of the lenses that I try and timestamps, so you can skip ahead if you need to. Let's get right into it with the first pair. I have a white mesh in this eye, and this is such a cool contact because it literally looks like it's blanking out my entire eye. But because it has that mesh element, I can actually still see through it. The look that I have on right now, I literally did in 10 minutes with eyeliner. So this is something super simple. I threw on a little blazer, slicked my hair back, and I'm a crazy half skull. In this eye, I'm actually wearing GRWM bar from SOLOTICA, which I also got from lens.me. So I really kind of transformed my look with these two pairs of contacts. But I feel like the game changer is the white mesh contact in this eye. I personally prefer to just do a half skull and the contact in one eye and then keep one side of my face glam, because I like a little glam with my looks, but you can totally have fun with it and go crazy. Here are some photos of other inspiration that people have done with this look. I like the gems. I love the glam look. I think it's just so fun, and there's so much room for creativity with this. You also don't need to buy any special makeup. You can use eyeliner, you can use liquid lipstick, you can use eyeshadow, pretty much just use any type of makeup you have laying around, and you can create a fun look like this. This also leads me into my next suggestion, which is white blind. Now, white blind is really similar to white mesh, but this actually doesn't have any possible like way for you to see through them, so you have to be really careful with these. I actually wouldn't suggest wearing them out. I think they're perfect for a picture if you're wanting to do really fun special effects makeup. These are the contacts that are gonna totally elevate the look. I would totally dress up as Storm if I wanted to wear these contact lenses. I think that would be such a cool costume. You could do the platinum blonde icy hair, the white out contacts, and yeah, you can pretty much just wear like some type of a bodysuit, and that's the costume. I think everybody would get that right away as well. And if you're doing photos or some type of cinematography, these will really make an impact. I must say though, when I had the whiteout contacts in my eyes, I almost got a little bit scared because I genuinely could not see. Other than the lights in my room, everything was pretty much gone. So yeah, again, be careful with these ones. I wouldn't suggest wearing them out, but they're so cool for a photo. With the remake of Beetlejuice, I think we're gonna see a lot of Beetlejuice costumes this year. And I actually kind of even wanna do a Beetlejuice costume myself. Maybe I will. This costume would look so incredibly cool with the White Manson contact lenses. White Manson has a all white contact, and then the outer edge is a dark thick limbal ring that is completely black, and I think it really makes the contacts pop and it makes the eyes pop. These also are a little bit enlarging, and they don't decrease your visibility at all, so they're very comfortable to wear throughout the day or night. I really like this. I think that Beetlejuice is going to be such a popular costume. The cool thing that I also just looked at is that these are all available for 6 months wear, which is really great. They're not daily disposables, so they'll last you throughout that entire Halloween week, and you can use them in multiple different ways for different costumes. I want to show you whiteout next. This contact is actually just going to completely cover your iris, and it's only going to look like you have a tiny black pupil. They do not decrease your visibility at all, which is another reason why I love these, and I think this would be the perfect way to do a dead queen or kind of like a dead royalty. I'm really inspired by this older picture of Zendaya that's been kind of living in my head rent-free since she did this costume years ago. It looks like for the photos, she actually did the complete white out contact. But again, if you're going to be going out and about, I highly suggest you wearing something where you can actually see from. And I think those would really look amazing with this costume. All you would need to do is some type of dramatic makeup, maybe a little fake blood, and then the contact. Here's another example of somebody else doing something very similar. And really all she did was like add a really cool choker, teased out her hair a little bit. And I love these type of costumes because you can just wear whatever you want. Your creativity is the costume. A costume that's always popular pretty much every year is a creepy clown. But here's a way to kind of elevate it, is to add in the white zombie or white lunar contact lenses with this. Now here are the white zombie, and these lenses definitely give like that dead kind of cool appearance. They have some detailing in the lens that makes it almost look like there's black veins going throughout, and they have a dark black limbal ring. And then when it comes to white lunar, they're really similar as well. They have that detailing from the limbal ring kind of bleeding into the contact, so it's that stark contrast of black and white. Either of these would look so cool with either like a creepy clown or a mime look. I think that would be so fun. I actually was a creepy clown 1 year in the past, and I thought it was such a fun costume. Personally for me, I've never really wanted to spend a lot of money on Halloween costumes. You know, you go to the Halloween store and they have costumes for like hundreds of dollars, which is so ridiculous because it is the most flimsy, thin piece of fabric that is literally going to fall apart by the end of the night. I think it's just so much more fulfilling to create the costume yourself out of what you already have and just use your imagination and creativity. A great place to look for inspo is Pinterest. I hope that you found this video helpful. Don't forget to check out lens.me for all of your special effects FDA approved contact needs, and let me know what you're going to be for Halloween this year. Also, what do you think of my really quick, cool, creepy skull? I'm going to wash it off and go to bed now, but thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Single on the body, boy. Take on the body, boy.